Hi, I'm J. Nathan Jore. I am a faculty of fine arts in the University of the Philippines Cebu. I teach product design and art history, art theory classes, as well as curatorial and exhibition design in the fine arts program. I am currently the curator and director of the Joya Gallery, the University Art Gallery of UP Cebu. I'm also the director of the Office for the Initiatives in Culture of the Arts of UP. In terms of art making, I mostly concentrate my endeavors in the field of queer art and local art with researches on local art history, cultural heritage, and general Cebuano literary and theoretical landscape. For art, I usually use the traditional oil and acrylics in painting, but the kinds of projects that I do are easily translatable to more experimental medium and forms. So I delve more into assemblage and installation art, as well as abstraction and the play between abstraction and realism in the works that I do. But in these recent years that my works are more informed by the researches that I do and the curatorial practice that I'm mostly engaged in. The works, the art that I make are mostly linked between form and the theoretical background or the theoretical aspect of the work of art. So I concentrate between producing the artistic form, the visual form, and the textual form of the concept. So the interplay between image and text always come uh, in the works that I do, especially the current ones. Last year, I did a solo exhibition titled Veneer Desires. It is a research on the queer art community here in Cebu, especially the underground culture of alter Twitter accounts, gay dating sites, and all of the new uh, range of terms that tries to define queer experience locally. And this exhibition uh, delved also on historical figures that define queer history or gay history in Cebu. I worked on the figure of Balbino Igot, who was the first documented trans woman in Cebu, reported in 1929 and 1930 in the local papers. Uh, that figure, trans woman, became a very important discourse in the artistic process. I wanted to go into this direction because nature uh, is very much related with sustainability. Discourses in nature, especially in contemporary times, has something to do with sustainability, and that would include problems and concerns in food security and nature being mother, and my grandmother being a farmer, relating these concepts together. The work would investigate the relationship between how nature could be sustained to mother us into the contemporary times, especially in terms of how food is secured for the future. So the works in this exhibition would investigate these concepts and look into try to create a visual articulation, artistic articulation of this important concept between nature as mother and our problems of sustainability in nature, especially with food security.